Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create pro forma financial projections for a car wash. And the way that I'm going to do this is through the use of my Carwash Business Plan Template. So the way this video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, I'm going to walk you all through my car wash pro forma financial model that is designed and customized for the car wash industry. I'm going to show you how to use it, and once you put into your information, the financial projections that it does calculate for you. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy-dandy PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if you all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan using templates and tutorials, you want to put all that stuff aside and actually focus on what you love, which is your business, I would be delighted to write your business plan for you. I can also do your financial projections. All you got to do is pick up the phone, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help in any way, shape, or form. Also, I am a published author. If you're interested in some business plan writing books, check me out online on Amazon.com. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So I do have some academics as well as real-world experience backing up my thoughts and ideas for the financial models that I create, as well as the templates that I create for the car wash industry, as well as other industries. All right, so with that said and done, here is the star of the show, which is my financial model for the Car Wash Business Plan template. And so with this, when you do buy my Car Wash Business Plan template, it comes with a Word document, which is right here. This is the Word document that it comes with. And then the tutorial for the Word document is in a separate video. And then you also get this financial model right here. For this financial model, it does come with 4 tabs: the information page, the projection. On the information page, this is where you're going to put all your information. I do have some placeholders in here. Anywhere in darker colored cells is the information you're going to change. And then the projection tab. On the projection tab is just a summary of your projections once you enter all your information in on this tab right here. The financial projections are going to be update. The projection tab will update. Your profit and loss tab will update, as well as the 12-month profit and loss, and the income statement for the 5 years will update. And then this tab right here, the profit and loss, this is your month-to-month projections for the first 12 months. It's broken into monthly, 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, and so on. And then it also comes with the pro forma income statement, which is a summary of your financial results for the next 5 years, broken up annually. So on the information page, this is where you're going to make all your changes. And this is broken up into categories as well, which is your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, growth rates, and then your loan information if you're going to have a loan. For the first section right here, the daily revenues, and the way this plays out is, in order to generate revenues, we're going to start with identifying how many customers you're going to be working with, or how many car washes you're going to provide on a daily basis. In this example, we're saying that you're going to provide 60 car washes at a price of approximately $20 per car wash with a variable cost of 20%. So with these 3 variables right here put in, then it's your projections are going to update accordingly. The next part of this section is going to be how many days you're going to be operating on a weekly basis. For this example, I'm saying we're going to be working with 7 days a week. However, if you're going to be running 6 days a week, then you just change the 7 to 6. And again, you can see right here, the revenues and the profits are updating accordingly based on the number of services you're going to be providing, as well as the number of days that you're going to be operating on a weekly basis. The next section is going to be the labor. For the labor, first line right here is going to be the salary, how much money you're going to pocket on a monthly basis, how much you want to get paid. You're going to put that number right here. And then the second line is going to be the number of employees. For this example, we're saying you're going to have 2 employees making $15 an hour. and they're going to be working 40 hours a week, which is 172 hours a month. And for the rate of pay, you can change this as you see fit. For this example, I'm saying it's $15. If you're going to pay them $18, change it to $18, and again, it's going to update accordingly. If you're not going to have any employees at all, put 0, and then that wipes out that line in its entirety. The next section is going to be your startup cost. The first 2 lines is going to be how much you're going to be investing. The first line is equity investment, how much money you're coming out of pocket with. And then the second line is the loan, how much money you're going to be borrowing. So for this example right here, the total investment or the total startup funding needed is $990,000. You add the $900,000 plus the $90,000 equity investment gives us $990,000. Now, when you do the startup cost segments, you do want to make sure that these 2 lines right here, the $990,000, are going to add up to where you're going to divvy out this money. So this is your startup investment, and these are the categories from which you are going to be divvying that money up. And so for this example right here, we're saying is you're starting up, you need $990,000 to start, and then you're going to be divvying it up into the build out and the purchase of land. It's going to be going to working capital, miscellaneous car wash equipment, detail equipment, inventory, supplies, advertising, and so on. Your next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost section. And for this right here, these labels right here cannot be changed. They are static, but feel free to change the dollar amounts, and you can change your rent, your utilities, your advertising, office expenses, and any cost that you're going to have that's not listed up here, just add it up and put it into other. The next section is going to be your miscellaneous information. I'm saying that the tax rate is for a typical car wash is going to be about 20%. If it's going to be different, you can change this to whatever you see fit. And again, the financial model will be updated accordingly. The next section is going to be your growth rates. So for the first 5 lines, these are your growth rates for the next 5 years. And then the subsequent lines right here, these are growth rates for your cost on an annual basis. And then the final line right here is going to be your loan information. Once you put a dollar amount in right here for a loan, it will automatically populate down here. You then just enter an interest rate, the term, and your payment will automatically be calculated for you. And then it'll also go permeate through your 12-month profit and loss, as well as your next 5 years for your financial projections for your income statement. All right, so yeah, so it's short, sweet, to the point. Once you update all this information here, then just go to your profit and loss tab and just make the copies right here, control copy, go to your income statement, copy this, and you just insert it into the appropriate section of the Word document, and you're all set, ready to go. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap this up, sum it up, and call it a day. So if you like what you see and you want to go ahead and buy the Carwash Business Plan Template, all you have to do is just go to this link right here, qualitybusinessplan.com/Carwash Business Plan Template. If you do buy the template, it does come with a customizable Word document, and that video is a separate video for the car wash. It does come with a basic financial model that's customized for the car wash industry, which we just reviewed. That was this model, this video right here. There are some limitations to my templates, and first is going to be that it is not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. So you do need Microsoft Office, specifically Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. Also, if you have questions about my Car Wash Business Plan Template before you buy it, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. Be delighted to have a great conversation about what you can expect from my Car Wash Business Plan Template. However, after you buy the template, I do not offer free phone support. If you do need some assistance in using the template, I do provide y'all with free tutorials, and just visit this link right here. You can do that now. You can do it before or after you buy it. Those tutorials are free. But if you do want me to help you fill out the template, if you've got questions about the template after you buy it, I do provide mentoring services, and there is a charge for that. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with tutorials and you don't want to mess around with templates, you just want your darn business plan for your car wash written for you, or you want your projections done for you, you don't want to play reindeer games with it, I would be delighted to do so. And right here is my pricing page for my custom business plan, custom business plans, and also custom financial projections. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.